Good day once again, everyone, and I want to use this opportunity to welcome you to Mathematics Solution Center. We have a question we are going to be solving today, and it says, solve the equations 2x plus y is equal to 4. X squared plus xy is equal to minus 12 simultaneously. All we have to do, let's rearrange the linear equation, that is equation 1, and substitute in equation 2. So we are using substitution method. I would prefer to make y the subject of the formula. You always solve in such a way that what? Your stress will be reduced while solving. Okay, let's make y the subject of the formula in equation 1. We will just take 2x to the other side. Therefore, we have y is equal to 4 minus 2x. This is still my equation 1. So I'm going to substitute this in equation 2 anywhere I see what? My y. Therefore, in equation 2, I have x squared plus xy. But instead of y now, I am going to write 4 minus 2x. Then is equal to minus 12. We have substituted for y in equation 2. So this is my equation 2. Okay, we are going to continue to work on this equation 2 until we get the value of x. So the first thing we have here is x squared, then plus, we will open the bracket using x, so x times 4. I have 4x minus x times 2x, we have 2x squared, is equal to minus 12. So let's collect the like term. I have x squared minus 2x squared plus 4x is equal to minus 12. X squared minus 2x is actually minus x squared, then plus 4x is equal to minus 12. This is the same thing as minus x squared plus 4x plus 12. Let's take 12 to the other side. We have plus 12 is equal to 0. Let's multiply the whole of this expression by minus 1 so as to eliminate the minus sign in front of x squared. So we have x squared minus x squared times minus 1 is x squared. Then minus 1 times 4x minus 4x minus 1 times 12, that is minus 12, is equal to minus 1 times 0, 0. Okay, this is what we have. We are going to factorize this expression. We are going to say x squared times minus 12. We have minus 12x squared. So what are the two factors of 12? Factors of a minus 12x squared that we are going to use is going to be minus 6x and then plus 2x. So minus 6x times plus 2x is minus 12x squared. Minus 6x plus 2x will give me minus 4x. Therefore, minus 6x plus 2x satisfy this condition, this quadratic equation. So I'm going to substitute the whole of this in place of minus 4x. Therefore, we have x squared minus 6x plus 2x. You can write anyone first. You can as well write plus 2x minus 6x. Minus 12 is equal to 0. So let's factorize this and this and this and this. X is common. X into bracket x minus 6. Then plus 2 is common between 2x and minus 12. I have 2 into bracket x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2 and x minus 6 is equal to what? 0. What we did between here and this is what? Actually still factorization, because x minus 6 is common. Therefore, we've taken what is common and then we are left with what? X plus 2. When you have the product of two things equal to 0, it means one of them is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2 is equal to 0. If x plus 2 is equal to 0, x will be equal to minus 2. Or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, x will be equal to what? 6. We are going to determine the corresponding values of y. We've already derived an expression which is what? Y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So when x is equal to minus 2, y will be equal to 4 minus 2 into bracket minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 4 minus 2 times minus 2. That is plus 4. Y is equal to 8. So if we are to plot the graph of these two equations, it means that we are going to have intersect between the straight line curve and the quadratic curve at what? Minus 2, 8. That is what it means. And when x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4 minus 2x. Therefore, y will be equal to 4 minus 2 into bracket 6. And then y will be equal to 4 minus 12. And y is equal to minus 8. So the other point where the two curves will intersect is going to be at what? 6, minus 8. These are the points of intersection of the two equations. If you should plot them, graphical method, these are the answers you are going to get. So these are the 4 conditions that satisfy the two equations. We have come to the end of this tutorial, and we want to use this opportunity to appreciate you for your time. But if you have not subscribed, kindly click the subscription button and like this video and share it and put on the notification. Thanks.